Hello and welcome to another episode of Driveway Dudes. Today I'm going to show you how to change the door lock and security settings on a 2015 Lexus NX. This could apply to all Lexus vehicles with the Lexus Display audio system. You want to go to your menu wherever you may be otherwise, so you go along until you get to setup. You scroll down to vehicle. You go into vehicle customization, go to door lock settings, and in here you'll be able to select whether or not you want the doors to lock when you're already driving. I believe it's about 20 kilometers an hour. When it exceeds 20 kilometers an hour, the doors will automatically lock. You can automatically lock all doors by shifting from park into reverse, neutral, drive, or sport. You can auto unlock the doors by shifting to park. You can auto unlock by driver's door. So if all your vehicle doors are locked and you have passengers, they won't be able to, unless the front passenger, depending on the specification, has the options to unlock and lock the door on their door card, cannot exit the vehicle until the driver has opened their door. The remote to press unlock, you've got select doors to unlock. I've selected all doors to unlock once the driver's door has been opened. I've actually disabled my keyless entry and start. I don't want anybody getting any codes. I don't want anybody taking my key, walking up to the car and trying to open the car, or any opportunists. I've switched it off. So I manually unlock the doors with the unlock button, the remote central locking, and I hold the key up to the power button to start the car now. The lock unlock feedback lights, so like your hazards for example, or if you're in dark conditions, it'll turn the side lights on. Just a little bonus part of this video is other vehicle settings. You can select with the electric seat that when the driver is exiting, especially on this one with the memory seats, when you turn off the vehicle, the seat will roll all the way back, assuming you don't already have it all the way back. And if you have the electric steering wheel adjustment, the steering wheel will go into its upmost and most inwards position to allow access in and out of the vehicle more easily. And with all models that have the electric tailgate, you can select how open you want it to be. This is, for example, if you're parking up close to a wall, or you're close to another car behind you, or you're in a garage that hasn't got the height. You can select different increments of height. I have no height restrictions for my tailgate, so I've left it on the highest setting possible. So we really hope you enjoyed that video. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Driveway Dudes, and have a great day too.